Here I have HTC Desire 816, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility section, and here you can find Talkback. So here you can enable it, tap OK.
When Explore by Touch is turned on, you can touch the screen to learn what's under your finger. For example, the current screen contains app icons. Find one of them by touching the screen and sliding your finger around, showing items 1 to 15 of 60.
Okay, so Talkback is the feature made primarily for people with blindness or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud contents on your screen. So what you see now is kind of like,
is turned on, you can touch the screen to learn what's on exit button.
so like when you're in a Talkback mode, all the actions on your screen will be spoken out loud depending on like where you tap. So for example, I tap exit
Button.
and it says me like exit
When Explore
button.
by Touch is turned on, you can touch the screen to learn what's under your finger.
So
For example,
in
the
order
current
to
screen
confirm
contains app
any
icons.
of the
Find one
selected
of them by
actions,
touching the
like
screen and
you
sliding
selected
your
this
finger around.
exit, and like to confirm it you have to double tap anywhere on the screen,
Talkback.
and that's how you can perform. Like you can select back,
Back.
then you double tap to confirm it.
Accessibility.
So for example, if you want to disable Talkback, you select it,
Talkback.
it
on.
says Talkback, you double tap anywhere on the screen,
Talkback.
then you find this on switch,
On. Switch.
double tap,
Alert. Stop Talkback. Touching OK will stop Talkback.
OK,
OK button.
and that's how you can disable Talkback too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.